Dr. Shark here, Shark Holistic Health. This is our therapeutic support series. I'm going to talk about a nebulizer. What is a nebulizer? It's simply something that takes a liquid product and turns it into very small particles that can be inhaled, right? So you can buy a mesh nebulizer on Amazon. I don't have a particular product preference. And you're going to put distilled water in this. If you're just doing water, that's all you put in. Generally, we suggest that you add something like glutastat, right? So that you're getting this high potency glutathione combo into your airway. So to do that, you're going to add the water in the reservoir and 1 squirt of the glutastat in there. You just fill that up, put it together, turn it on, put the little mask over your mouth, and breathe it in, right? So you're just allowing the particles of these supplements to get in. Another product we recommend in the nebulizer is Briotech, especially if you have mold toxicity and absolutely necessarily if you have current ongoing mold exposure that you're not able to remediate at this moment. You've got to constantly treat the airway for the mold. So the Briotech, you can put that in just straight into the nebulizer and breathe that in. It's just going to go through the airway and just kill off the mold that it comes in contact with. So a nebulizer is very effective, helpful, especially if you have a sinus or breathing problem that is related to your mold toxicity or other toxic exposures. We highly recommend the nebulizer for anybody with sinus or breathing issues, just to get some more of these healing products directly. And we have access to this area from the outside. So let's go ahead and get these healing products directly in to clean it up, rather than waiting for the things that come through our mouth and through our bloodstream to come up here and clean it up. We can access it directly and really take a burden off of the body overall so that your body can heal faster.